Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a cyclic journey in our life. Today is the 25th of December. Another few days' time, we will have the new year. 2021 is heralding upon us. 2020 has been a very challenging and eventful year as a result of the global pandemic, the COVID-19. The whole world, the planet Earth, all the 7.8 billion people have gone through immensely suffering, challenging and painful indeed. But when we always embrace something new, something that comes to us is what is outdated. There are certain things that are outdated in our lives. But you see this outdated stuff become relevant in a cyclic of life. Some old things come back to us as new. Old styles become new styles. The old resources become relevant. And that's why in our life we need to make sure the resources we have, the ideas we have, the thoughts we have, everything we have to make it relevant all the time. You cannot really put to a store or refrigerate and froze it. We need to make sure that every resource that we have need to be utilized and make it relevant. And what is not relevant to us, we should be generous enough to share with others, give it to others. It may be relevant to others. In life, that we are entrusted with so much of resources and things to us. And we need not possess everything for ourselves. We need to understand these things are given to us sometimes to be dispensed, to give it to others for their use. But whatever we possess, there is nothing called outdated. Everything has to be made relevant for today. And once you make it relevant for today, you are ready to make it used for tomorrow with newness. Ladies and gentlemen, this year has been very eventful. We have gone through many challenges and we faced the new year with so much of things and hope and aspiration. For that hope and aspiration to materialize, you have to make relevant what you have. What you think it is outdated, you have to make it relevant today so that you can face it well and overcome the challenges that will be faced in the new world.